Question number 3. Check whether the relation are defined in this set, and it is what? B is equal to A plus 1. Here it is given that B is equal to A plus 1. Is reflexive, symmetric और transitive? तो सबसे पहले हम रिफ्लेक्सिव के लिए चेक कर लेते हैं. See, for all A belongs to this set, suppose this set is equal to A. सारे एलिमेंट्स के लिए A is equal to A plus 1 होना चाहिए. अगर B को A से रिप्लेस कर दें तो A के लिए हम चेक कर रहे हैं तो A is equal to A plus 1 होना चाहिए. But it is not. But A is not equal to A plus 1. This implies what? A is not belongs to R. अगर ये इक्वल होगा तो belongs to R होता है. नहीं, ये not belongs to R. And if it is not belongs to R, then R is not reflexive. This function is not. This relation is not reflexive relation. Now for symmetric, we check. We take an example. Yes, here 1. If we take here 1, then it will be 2. Here 1, 2 belongs to R. See, if you take A is equal to 1, then B will be what? 2. But for 2, 1 के अगर लिए हम चेक करें तो 2, 1 is now what? B. So 1 is equal to 2 plus 1. Is it true? No. Okay. ये ट्रू नहीं है. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? 2, 1 is not belongs to R. This 2, 1 is not belongs to R. If 2, 1 is not belongs to R, means R is not symmetric. This is not symmetric relation. Now for transitive relation, if 1, if we take A is equal to 1, then it is 1 plus 1, 2. 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 3 belongs to R. देखिए 2 रखेंगे तो B 3 हो जाएगा. तो 1, 2 belongs to R, 2, 3 belongs to R, तो 1, 3 belongs to R होना चाहिए. 1, 3 के लिए हम चेक करें तो क्या होना चाहिए? B means what? 3. This 3 should be what? A plus 1, 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is not equal to 3. ये इसके इक्वल नहीं है. इसका मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? 1, 3 is not belongs to R. ठीक है, 1, 3 is not belongs to R means ये क्या होगा? ट्रांजिटिव नहीं होगा. So R is not transitive. This relation is not transitive relation. Question number 4. The relation is defined on all real numbers, and the relation is what? AB is such that A is less than equal to B. First of all, we will check for reflexive. For all A belongs to a real number, A is equal to A. Here it is A is less than or equal to B. तो less than या इक्वल टू दोनों में से एक भी सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगा तो हम इसको कंसीडर कर लेंगे. तो A is equal to A means what? If A is equal to A means what? AA is belongs to R. If AA is belongs to R means R is reflexive. R is reflexive. For symmetric, if we take one of the example, 2, 3. 2, 3 belongs to R. See, 2 is less than 3. So 2, 3 belongs to R. But 3 is less than equal to 2. This is not true. So 3 is not less than or equal to 2. This implies 3 2 do not belongs to R. And if 3 2 not belongs to R means what? It is not, R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric relation. This R is not symmetric relation. ट्रांजिटिव के लिए चेक कर लेते हैं. For ट्रांजिटिव, whether it is ट्रांजिटिव or not. तो इसके लिए जो है सिंपल है. If AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, for all A, B, C belongs to real number. Okay, if AB belongs to R means A is less than or equal to B, and if BC belongs to R then B is less than or equal to C. Okay, first and second. So from first, what we have, A is less than or equal to B. This implies A is less than or equal to, we replace B by C. तो ये B is less than or equal to C, तो इसको अपन निकाल सकते हैं. इसको कंबाइन कर दें, ऐसा कर दें, यूजिंग व्हाट 2. ओके, और फ्रॉम फर्स्ट और सेकंड हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड what we conclude, A is less than or equal to B and B is less than or equal to C means obviously A is less than or equal to C. A is less than or equal to C. If A is less than or equal to C means what? AC belongs to R. And if AC belongs to R means what? R is transitive. Question number 5. Here we have to prove that whether these relations are reflexive, symmetric or transitive. This relation is on the real number and the relation is what? AB is such that A is less than or equal to B cube. For reflexive, see, we take one of the number 1 upon 2, that is belongs to R. And what about 1 upon 2 cube? 1 upon 2 cube is what? 1 upon 8. And 1 upon 8 and 1 upon 2, if we compare 1 upon 8 and 1 upon 2, then 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 8. Means here this element not satisfy this relation. Okay, so 1 upon 2 is not less than or equal to 1 upon 2 whole cube. अगर मैं दोनों जगह 1 upon 2 लूं तो ये सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है. 1 upon 2 is not belongs to R. This implies what? 1 upon 2 is not belongs to R. So R is not reflexive. R जो है वो reflexive नहीं होगा. तो फॉर सिमेट्रिक के लिए चेक करते हैं. We take an example. If 1 2 belongs to R, see, A is less than or equal to 2 cube is what? 8. 8 is obviously greater than 1. But what about 2 1? So here A is what? 2 is less than or equal to B square. B is what? 1. B cube, sorry. B. So 2 is not less than 1 cube. It is not 2. So since what? Yeah, but two is not less than or equal to 1 cube. This implies 2 1 is not belongs to R. If 2 1 is not belongs to R, then R is not symmetric. This relation is not symmetric relation. Next one, for transitive relation. For transitive relation, we take some more examples. See, suppose we take 7, 2 belongs to R. Yes, A is 7 and B is what? 2. So 2 cube is 8. Okay, ये satisfy कर रहा है. एक और हम लेते हैं 7, 2 and 2 minus 3 by 2 belongs to R. Yes, ये भी satisfy कर रहा है. 2 is less than 3 by 2 cube. 3 by 2 cube means what? 27 by 8 और 8 3 is 24. तो 3 point something आएगा और this is greater than 2. तो satisfy कर रहा है. Now we have to prove that whether 7 3 by 2 ये 7 3 by 2 is belongs to R or not. तो 7 और 3 by 2 cube is what? 27 upon 8 and 27 upon 8 is less than 4. It is less than 4. 7 is greater here. Okay, so 7 is greater here means what? 7 3 by 2 is not satisfying this relation. Means 7 3 by 2 is not belongs to this relation. So we write here since what 7 is not less than or equal to 3 by 2 whole cube. This implies 7, 3 by 2 is not belongs to R. This implies R is not transitive. So this relation is not transitive relation. Yes, question number 6. Here we have to show that the relation and it is in the set set of element 1, 2, 3 and the relation is defined. Relation has only two elements 1, 2 and 2, 1. We have to prove whether it is we have to prove it is symmetric but neither reflexive or not transitive. So it is very simple. One should have 1 as a image. So 1, 1 is not belongs to R. This implies what? R is not reflexive. Here, secondly, 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 1 belongs to R. This implies R is symmetric. Okay. Now, third one, 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 1 belongs to R. But 1, 2 belongs to R, 2, 1 belongs to R. But 1, 1 is not belongs to R. This implies R is not transitive. So R is not transitive relation. Question number 8. We have to show that a relation R in the set A, the element of set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, given by AB is such that the modulus of A minus B is even, means it is divisible by 2, is an equivalence relation. We have to prove that this relation is equivalence relation and show that, again we have to show that 1, 2, 3 and this set, the element of these sets are related to each other and the element of this set are related to each other, and these are what? These are the part of given set. Okay, and the intersection of these two sets are is what 5 and the union is again that set. Okay, आप समझ रहे हैं? हमने ये कहाँ पढ़ा था? इक्विवेलेंस क्लासेस में पढ़ा था. ये इक्विवेलेंस क्लासेस हैं. This is equivalence classes having the element 1, we may say. Okay. Further we will discuss in the last of this question. See, we will check for reflexive. Okay, for reflexive we will check. For all A belongs to this set, इस सेट के कोई भी एलिमेंट्स अगर हम ले लें तो A माइनस A, modulus of A minus A is what? 0, and it is 0 is what? Even number. This implies A belongs to R, and A belongs to R means R is a reflexive. Secondly, for symmetric, for all A and B belongs to R. अगर हम दो एलिमेंट्स ले लें तो if AB belongs to R, this implies mod of A minus B is even according to the definition of relation. If mod of A minus B is even, then mod of B minus A will be even. ये भी even होगा, ठीक है? क्योंकि ये इसका नेगेटिव है, और अगर हम एक नंबर है 5 है, 5 का मोड रखें या -5 का मोड रखें, इक्वल रहेगा. और if B minus A is even, then according to the definition BA is related to R. BA is related to R, or it belongs to R. Or BA is belongs to R means what? This R is symmetric. ट्रांजिटिव के लिए चेक करते हैं. फॉर ट्रांजिटिव, see, we take for all A, B and C belongs to our set A. It is not R, it is A. If AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, then A minus B is even, and here B minus C is even. So A minus B and B minus C are even. Okay, and we know that the sum of two even number is even. So when A minus B is even, when A is even and B is even, or A is odd and B is odd. The difference of two even number is even and difference of two odd number is even. Difference of one even and odd number is not even. तो even नंबर कब मिलेगा? किन दो नंबर का डिफरेंस इवन होगा? जब या तो दोनों इवन होंगे या दोनों ओड होंगे. ठीक है? तो व्हाट अबाउट A माइनस C? अगर A इवन है तो B भी इवन होगा, और B इवन है तो C भी इवन होगा. तो A माइनस C भी क्या होगा? इवन होगा. तो मोड ऑफ A माइनस C is even. और मोड ऑफ A माइनस C is even means what? AC belongs to R. This implies R is transitive. Okay. Since what? R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. This implies R is equivalence relation. क्या हो जाएगा ये? Equivalence relation. And the last part of this question, here we have to prove that, show that all elements of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. See, and all elements of 2, 4 is related to each other. So we know that the difference of two even natural number is even, and also the difference of two odd natural number is even. कोई भी हम दो इवन नंबर ले लें या दो odd नंबर ले लें, उनका डिफरेंस हमेशा इवन होगा. So these are all odd numbers. So difference of odd numbers are even. So this all elements are related to each other. And 2, 4. This is the set of even number, and the difference of any two even number is even. So again all the elements are related to each other. And the second part is what? We know that the difference of even number and odd number is odd. If we take any even number and odd number and find out the difference, you will get odd. Any 6 minus 3, that is 3. Okay, 24 minus 5, that is 19. Okay, so the difference of an even number and odd number is always odd. So this is the set of odd number and this is the set of even number. So no element of this set is related to this set. और इक्विवेलेंस क्लासेस का जो हमने वीडियो देखा था, तो इक्विवेलेंस क्लासेस की सारी प्रॉपर्टीज जो है ये दोनों क्लासेस सेटिस्फाई करेंगी. ये दोनों जो है इक्विवेलेंस क्लासेस होगी. ठीक है.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो